Zevo Flying Insect Traps Plug-in Indoor Fly Trap and Bug Light Trap Refill with Blue and UV Light is a patio, lawn, and garden product with a listing built around a specific daily use need. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied catalog lists catch flying insects 24/7. This plug-in flying insect trap uses blue and UV light to attract and catch houseflies, fruit flies, gnats, and fly-in. Another listed detail is no-mess adhesive cartridge. Disposable glue cartridge works like bug sticky traps by holding trapped insects hidden on the wall-facing adhesive P. The product record also notes spray-free, zap-free, odor-free design. Quiet Fly Trap helps control small flying insects indoors without spraying, zapping, or added odors. Making. For everyday ownership, review the included items, dimensions, and any compatibility notes in the supplied listing before ordering. The main limitation is fit. Catalog features do not replace checking the exact variant, space, power, or compatibility requirements for your situation. Overall, Zevo Flying Insect Traps Plug-in Indoor Fly Trap and Bug Light Trap Refill with Blue and UV Light is best considered by buyers whose needs directly match the supported catalog features. Shoppers needing a different size, configuration, or specialized use case should compare alternatives.